दोस्तों, Trump is using Pakistan as a mediator for a peace deal between Iran and US. It is laughable. Can you imagine Trump sending his Darban, who stands on his door, to go and do mediation? This shows कि Trump कितना serious है mediation के बारे में. एक mediator वो होता है जिसका कोई status हो, जिसकी की बात सब लोग सुने, या जिसका कम से कम अपने लेवल का status हो या अपने से बड़ा status हो. But this is how Trump behaves. This is an insult to Iran. What will Iran think? Pakistan is Sunni state. तो एक सुन्नी स्टेट से ट्रंप ने कहा है कि वो जाकर ईरान से नेगोशिएट करे. शिया सुन्नीज आर एट लॉगरहेड्स. तो अगर उसको किसी को करना ही था, you should have chosen somebody like from a Christian or a Hindu or some other religion, and not a Shia Sunni divide for a negotiation. So this was a non-starter from day one. And इसका कोई नतीजा नहीं निकलने वाला. It's a waste of time. Perhaps that is what Trump is trying. He's trying to waste time because he wants some troops there, or he is still thinking. He doesn't know what he wants to do. So he's just buying this time to think out a strategy. America is clueless right now. So in my view, this war is going to go on for the time being. I don't see any sign of any rapprochement between the two. And मुझे तो अभी भी ये लगता है कि Trump will corner Iran to the point where Iran will destroy the Middle East oil fields. And that will be the end of the war and end of world economy. Because world will not recover from that shock. America will still be standing and smiling because they don't need Middle East oil. I mean, we are right now watching what must have happened during the Second World War when Hitler was going rampant in Europe. Trump is behaving the same way. This is how mad dictators behave. Modi alone does not have the cards. But if Modi, Xi and Putin, they gang up together, they can put enough pressure on America to behave and to back off. आपका क्या विचार है मुझे जरूर बताएं. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and happy Ram Navami. Thanks again.